Hi, I'm Richa, the co-founder and CEO of Labhya. We're an India-based education non-profit, and we work with 2.4 million children on their emotional well-being, vulnerable children on their emotional well-being and mental health in partnership with state governments in India. I'm also here in the capacity of a young leader for the Sustainable Development Goals, and I'm one of the 17 who work directly with the UN Youth Envoy's Office to work towards the Sustainable Development Goals.
Thank you for sharing. Tell us more about the SDGs that you address.
Yes, so I work around Sustainable Development Goal 4 or SDG 4, which is around quality education. I myself am a teacher turned entrepreneur, and I relate a lot to education as a core value, and I have seen the power of education, not just academic education, but also the skills that we need to thrive in the 21st century world can really turn around a person's life and help us change and help us really achieve the change we want to see in the world. And that's why I work on SDG 4.
Thank you for sharing. And we'd also love to hear about the journey that led you to pursuing this SDG.
Yes. So I started teaching as a volunteer when I was 16 years old, and I started teaching and continue to teach in low-income classrooms for over a decade, which is where I saw that the challenges that many of my children from vulnerable communities faced included abuse and violence and all sorts of adversity was not going to get solved just by solving for academic achievement and learning. I realized that my children needed the skills to become regulated, have better relationships, feel motivated to learn in order to achieve well in the school environment, but also have the skills to really go through life and the adversities that they were facing. And all of that really led me to start Labhya alongside with my co-founders.
Wow, thank you. And what have been some of your partnerships and outcomes around this?
So Labhya partners with government. So I started Labhya in order to make sure that we achieve sustainable change, and a big part of that is collaborating with public education systems and governments in the region that we work with. So in India, we currently partner with several governments to ensure that our program reaches every child at the last mile, and that's a big part of the collaboration we have. We also collaborate with academicians and young people from all across the world who are informing us about the advancements that are happening in children's well-being globally.
Thank you. What would be some of your insights and recommendations?
So my insights and recommendations from the work have been that young people should really be at the forefront of decision making, especially those decisions that surround us and are about us. There should be no discussion about us without us. And I have seen the power of having young people on the stage and in decision making rooms, but that definitely comes with a lot of responsibility and skill building that we try to work at Labhya.
Absolutely aligned with you. And your final message for the young people joining the Global Young Diaspora Summit?
Absolutely. To all the young people who are attending the Global Young Diaspora Summit, firstly, you deserve to be here, and there is so much more work to be done by all of us in collaboration and partnership. Please know that your experience is equal to your expertise, and your lived experience should inform the decisions that are made about you throughout your life, and agency is something we can build together. And with that, see you at the Young Diaspora Summit.
Thank you.